This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Google Drive and going straight to the recent view. This is where Drive lists files by activity. Once done, make sure you're on the correct account. Switch accounts if necessary, because deletions apply to the active account. You'll also want to decide whether you're using the web interface or the mobile app now, since the next steps differ slightly. Prepare to select items. Read why this matters, because recent is a dynamic list, not a separate storage location. Now you'll select the files to remove. Click Recent and use Shift for ranges or Control, CMD for multiple discrete files, because that speeds up the cleanup. Once selected, right-click and choose Remove on Desktop, or tap the three-dot menu and pick Remove on Mobile. This moves files to trash. Make sure to check file ownership. If you don't own a file, Remove may only remove it from your view. Understand that Recent is a view. Removing here sends items to trash, not permanently go. To finish, open Trash and review items before you permanently delete. Click Empty Trash to free storage and remove entries from Recent permanently. If a file won't delete, make sure you own it. Only owners can permanently delete, otherwise ask the owner to remove it. Also check offline folders and backup and sync or drive for desktop syncing. Paused sync can prevent removals from updating. If problems persist, sign out and back in. Then retry the delete sequence to clear cached state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.